Good day, my people. My name na Anonymous Medic, and I been do this video for Black Medics. So the topic we wan yarn today na misconception wey dey surround COVID-19. So where we go start am from? Na be say the first people from the top of the ladder. Some people think say this thing no even exist. Abeg, they just dey lie us ni jare. COVID-19 no exist. I go tell you say as of today, the 7th of August 2020, more than 18 million people don carry this disease for the world, and more than 700,000 people don kpeme, they don die for this disease. So e mean say the virus exists. And the second people are those who feel say the virus no dey Naija jare. They just dey use am lie. Baba, the virus dey Naija o. Remember the number of high personalities wey don die for am. Former chief of staff Abba Kyari, former governor of Lagos of Oyo State, Senator Ajimobi, Emir of Rano, wey die that time. Recently too, chief of staff for Kwara State last month die, and many people like that. So it means say wetin e exist for Naija. The top people be the people who feel say this disease only rich people dey catch jare. Baba, no be only rich people. See, NCDC dey talk say na 70% of cases, as at last month, 70% of cases for Naija na people wey no even get any travel history. No be say na rich people wey no even leave their place where dem dey. So no be rich people alone dey catch am o. The fourth set of people are those who feel say the thing don dey go jare, the thing don go. They just dey talk say e never go jare, so that people no go relax. The thing never go. The reason you dey feel say the thing don go na because say you don see say they don ease restriction. Everybody don dey waka everywhere. The reason government do am like that na be say, and na wetin don happen for every part of the world now too. The reason be say they no fit allow make people, they no fit do am make people just stay at home. For how long? Because people need to chop. Many people need go out, go chop, go work before they fit chop. And government no fit do this thing for so long like that. So na the reason they don't use restriction, make people go also make they make money for themselves, make they feed their family. Because in protecting them, you also have to secure their livelihood. So please, you never go, the thing still there. So the next set of ideology, next of people now, those who say now only rich people they catch. Remember say some time ago, this thing there was a series of deaths we go occur for Kano and Jigawa. Later on, recently, like 2 months ago, it occurred for River State, and then recently, last month, it occurred for Delta State, where people just die like that. Remember, say they check that one for Kano, and they talk say some of them na COVID-19, some of them na other cases. So, and that time, the people who die no be just big people, small people too die. So small people they die for am. I know someone who they live beside that isolation center for this state where I say. He tell me last week say they see when they carry dead body comot. This dead body no be big people alone. Big small people too they die. Abeg. So the next people are those who feel say the number na lie jare. They just increase am. So government goes so make government steal money, make people steal money. I go tell you say I don't really think this is true. You know why? We don't see the pattern of the disease for everywhere around the world. It go start small, then they spread. Then you go reach one level where they call peak, where you go have lot of cases. Then later it go start to drop small. And if you consider recent data, you go see say even in some places safe, after the drop in cases, after the flattening of the curve, there's always some resurgence in some places. Like as they share for Australia now, they don't lock the region of Victoria. For at some time, China have locked some part of Beijing, the capital, because there were new cases there. So now how the thing they share with that. Now Nigeria is a country of 200 million people, so we get more than 45,000 cases as of today. And I go even tell you say, you know waiting, maybe we even get more than that 45,000 because our testing themselves no even plenty. Country we no even reach us for size. They don't test more than us for some places. So waiting, it means say this thing even fit pass that. Then contrary to public opinion, contrary to wetin people they think, the money itself, if the aid wey dem dey big $50 million, kinikan, EU, World Health, the thing no fit enough. If na for the beginning of the virus, maybe some people feel, but now the fight against virus dey plenty, e dey expensive. They dey pay doctor, pay nurse, pay other health workers. They dey buy drug, they dey pay for test kits. At one point, test kits they dey buy test kits. At that point when you see the import, they dey buy test kits for $160 per one. $160 if you convert that one, at $350 to $1 at $350 naira to $1 rather, e go dey give you 56,000. Baba no be lie o, na so how that thing reach. I thank God say we too people don dey manufacture test kit now, other test patterns don dey, so e good like that. So wetin? So we dey tell you say more you no dey complacent o. See our neighbor there, South Africa, they don get 9,000 cases, 9,000 deaths now as of today. In fact, mortuary sef no gree carry people again enough. People wey dey do funeral home, na dem dey carry dead body now because mortuary don full. Baba, African cases don reach 1 million. Scientists dey say make Africa dey make we no play too much o. Wetin dey happen for South Africa mean say thing fit get out of hand o. So wetin we dey tell you now be say please stay safe o. Please stay safe o. We know say wearing this mask na big thing, e no easy but abeg when you dey outside, when you dey market, when you dey inside public bus, when you dey outside, abeg when you dey crowd, wear the mask. Just wear am when you dey there. If you don live there, if you don be alone or you just dey work for street, you fit remove the mask because at that time there is no risk of you contacting it. So we dey tell you now say when you no stay, lock yourself for places where air no dey enter, no dey go out. Stay in places where ventilation dey. Abeg wash your hand regularly. Don't put your hand for mouth or for nose without washing. You see, yes o. Please protect yourself. One thing wey Africa never get plenty deaths since wey dem don see be say we get plenty young people. Young people plenty for here. So because these young people no really dey die from this disease like that, na so we no get plenty deaths for Africa. But please, you know say these young people still dey live with their papa, their mama, their grandpa. Make you no go cover these people. Abeg, so please protect yourself, protect your family, protect what is worth protecting. Abeg, please stay safe. Thank you.